Hi, I want to introduce you to the iGarden K60 awesome new 2026 pool cleaner. This is a great automatic robot cleaner that will give you up to 6 hours of cleaning time, or 3.5 depending on the mode that you choose, whether you choose walls, floors, and the waterline. It will do it all. Now, this is a great pool cleaner. We're going to unbox it today and show you what it comes with. This is the powerful machine. It is sleek. It is beautiful. I love the red wheels because I can see it when it's in the pool. I can see those reflecting. Now, it comes within this box within a box, so it will arrive without any damage. Now, first off, you'll see this really great quick start guide. I love a quick start guide. It's right on top. You don't have to dig for it. It is available right away. It identifies all the parts, which we will go through, and really good instructions on the control panel. Now, it will tell you how to charge it and how to deploy and start it. It also comes with a great app. It has smart navigation, and you will find it so easy to use. I love this big quick start guide. It also comes with a more in-depth instruction book, which gives you some more fine details, and a really long power cord. I've already charged it, so it'll be ready to go today, and it also comes with a retrieval hook that you can attach to one of your pool poles. Now, it is well packed with styrofoam and all the things inside that keep it arriving safely. And I like to keep this box. It has the handles on it, so I can store it in my garage. If I need any additional parts, I know exactly where to go. So I'm going to put these pieces back in here and we'll get started. Some of the great features about this great pool cleaner. My favorite is this vertical basket. I love a vertical basket. It comes out so easily. Look, it has mesh here, very easy to clean, and it's easy to pull up. You don't have to pull it out sideways, and you don't have to turn the pool motor over. It is very easy to slip in and out, and you don't even have to get your hands dirty. I love that. It has a very large inlet here for debris. You will find that very easy to use, and there's also a feature to unlock and clean further right here. The big dual motors here help it climb well on your pool walls, and so do these tracks right here. I'm going to show you the before and after of my pool in a bit, so keep watching, and if you like this type of information, follow us and like this video to see more. Now, here's some of the great features. It has a great big handle that you can pick up with a retrieval hook or with your hand. Now, it doesn't weigh that much. It's about 26 pounds, and you can easily identify all the parts on here. This is the power underneath here, and it illuminates this control panel right here. You can choose the different modes manually on the machine or on the app. The machine itself has these great sensors in the front and on the sides for sensing debris and for obstacle avoidance. This is the water inlet, and here in the back is the charging port, conveniently located at the back but not underneath. That's really great when you're pulling it out the pool. It also has a self-park feature, and right here there is a scraper that will keep any large debris or floating debris from slipping away and help direct it into this inlet for the debris to go into the very large basket. Easy to clean, rinsing it off, and there's also an opening area here where you can easily get all the debris out. Now, that is the basics of it. It is designed extremely well, and I know that you will really like this. It also has a really great app, and you'll be able to see how to program it from your app. Super easy to schedule and deploy and start. Really great support, and customer service is available at all times. I hope you really like this iGarden machine unboxing. Join us for the next video to see it actually in the pool.